Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you the topic trigonometry. Trigonometry is a part of mathematics where we learn about all the type of triangles and angles and side. Basically, trigonometry comes from a Greek word, three Greek words like trigonia and metric, which means tri means three and gonia means angle and metric means measurement. So basically here we are going to measure the angle and the size of the triangle, and mostly we are focusing on the right angle triangle here. So right now we are going to teach you what is the concept of trigonometry, how we can use the trigonometry concept in engineering and multiple sector. So basically if you think that there is a river and you want to one side of the river there is a tree, another side one guy is seated, and he knows the length size of the river, and he also know the angle between the tree and where he is seated, but he want to know the length of the tree, then he can measure through the trigonometry. Okay, so basically here you have already angle 90-degree use. So there are three sizes like adjacent and opposite and hypotenuse. So from three sizes we are going to calculate all the angles and size according to the uh, demand. Okay, so basically here we focus mainly on three segment, like we know sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. So in sine theta we know what is the will be the angle in the right angle triangle. We select the angle, acute angle, as a theta, and the opposite of the theta angle will be the opposite, and beside that angle theta will be the adjacent, and the long side of the triangle will be the hypotenuse. So basically sine theta is the ratio of the opposite to hypotenuse. So if we know the value of the opposite sides and the hypotenuse, so we can calculate the angle according to sine theta. If we calculate if there are opposite of side value is 3 and the hypotenuse size is 5, then we can calculate sine theta equal to 3 by 5, like that. And cos theta is the ratio of the adjacent and hypotenuse. So here basically if the beside size of the angle is adjacent and it's given 4, and the hypotenuse size of the triangle is given 5, then we can calculate the ratio by dividing both. Like cos theta will be adjacent to the hypotenuse, 4 divided by 5, calculate the value, and that will be the value of sine theta if we know the angle. And if we don't know the angle, then we can calculate by sine inverse. Okay, and there will be a tan theta also. Tan theta is basically the ratio of the opposite to the adjacent. So if we know both the sides of triangle of opposite, if it's given 3 and adjacent is given 4, then tan theta will be 3 by 4. Accordingly we calculate the value of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. And also there are three types of another like cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So sine theta is the opposite of cosec theta, and cos theta is the opposite of sec theta, and tan theta is the opposite of cot theta. Likewise there is also formula, like if we calculate the value of sine theta, theta is also we are putting the value like 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Accordingly we can calculate the value. There are also a trigonometric table where you have to remember all the value of the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta from 0 to 90 degree. Accordingly you can solve the problem. Like sine 0 value is 0, sine 30 will be 1 by 2, 0.5, and sine 45 will be 1 by root 2 likewise. So you have to remember all the details. And also there are equations like will be 3 or 4 equations which you have to solve accordingly from that equation, like sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And also there are cosec square theta minus sec square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Like there are 3 types of equations according which we solve the problem. So for this today demo sessions, I think it's basic of the trigonometry, where you can learn all the details of the triangles, right angle, basically triangles. So I hope you will get the details. Further I will explain all the details in the class session. Thank you. Have a nice day.